So here's our slide. Here's that letter E that I just showed you. Now we're going to go over how to put it onto the microscope and get it in focus at 40x total magnification. Before I put the slide on the microscope, I'm going to do a couple of things that will set me up to be as successful as possible. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the coarse focus knob, that big inner knob, and I'm going to make sure that the stage here is all the way down, as low as it can be. You can see that this ring makes it go up and down. It's helpful to start with it in the down position. Okay. We also want to make sure that the light is on and that it's decently high, right? Not so dull that we can't see anything. The last thing I want to check is that I'm using the 4x objective for a total magnification of 40. But right now I've got the 40x on. So the objectives are on a spinning circle, so I'm just going to spin around and wait till I hear a click that my little red ringed 4x objective is in place. Once I've got that, I can take my slide and carefully put it on the stage. There's a nice little arm here that I pull away and I snug the slide in, replace the arm, and now it's nicely held in place and I don't have to touch it again and get fingerprints on it or pieces of purple plastic. But the letter E on the slide is not underneath the light. So I use these knobs to center the letter E in the light. The upper one moves the slide back and forth relative to where I look through the eyepieces. And then the bottom one moves it left and right. And right now I need to move quite a bit to the left to get this into the light, which I can easily see. I've now centered the letter E, and I'm ready to look through the eyepieces. To do that, I have to take off my protective gear, or I can't see what I'm looking at. I come up to the eyepieces, and boy, I don't see anything. Wow. So that's not surprising, because remember, I moved the stage all the way down. So I'm going to very slowly move the stage upward by moving the coarse objective. And you can see it takes a while and some movement, but eventually, by doing that, I will get the letter E to appear with 40 times magnification from what I was looking at. So I'm moving the slide to the right. As I'm looking through it, I see the slide moving in what direction? We're going to pause here and we're going to switch to a microscope where we can project and take pictures of what we're seeing.